Okay, so this is a real quick video unboxing my degree. Did I get to that point? That's a great question. So, let's see. I started this programming back in 2023, where I just wanted a more broad degree than I already have. My first master's degree is in higher education administration, and this degree was a little bit more specific. So this was really secluded me in one area, in one field. And one day I woke up and realized that I may need to broaden the scope of what I'm studying and what I'm learning, just in case I want to switch fields in the future. So when I decided to enroll in this program, it was the best thing ever because I realized, okay, now with the description of this program and how applicable is to the real world, I can do so many more things because everyone needs a project manager. The best thing I love about this degree is that the mandatory component that it has in terms of internship. So you must be enrolled in an internship class in one credit course throughout your program. So this means that you don't have only the courses that you're studying, but you also have to be working at the same time for you to be able to continue and graduate. So this gave me the opportunity to not only be enrolled in a master's degree program, but also continue my work and a paycheck and gain 2 years of experience plus on my resume while I was just studying. To expand more on the real life experience and application of my degree, for me, it was very important to also build up my resume and also something more to show off in terms of just not just another degree, like actual working experience post graduation. Last but not least, I would like to also mention, one of the most positive things about this degree is that, it helped me manage my responsibilities. I was a student, I was working full time, so I was doing all these things. I also had a life. So they really helped me, balance and master everything. It's not easy to work and study at the same time, and many students can relate. So what I try to do on my second degree is be more balanced and have more of a schedule in terms of tackling my assignments, essays, and projects. Not just study, work, and do nothing else. I was able to also enjoy my time through having a more structured approach on tackling everything I had to do. Dear Thomas, congratulations on earning your Master's of Science degree from UMass College.